Hi, in this video let us see the swing trading stock selection for the coming week and Nifty week ahead analysis. Nifty is around 18,400 level and the Singapore Nifty at the closing basis on Friday it is showing 18,480. So for this week expectation is Nifty to touch 18,500 levels. So and the major rally was contributed by the HDFC twins and also later the party was joined by IT sector. So let us see the swing trading stock selection for this coming week. So let us start with the India VIX. India VIX is the volatility index, otherwise called as the fear index. So currently it is around 14, which is somewhat low. This signifies that the market thinks that there is no major panic events in the coming week. So this is what the India VIX is telling to us. And the next, to start with the week ahead analysis with Nifty. The Nifty is around 18,424. So for this week the expectation is around to cross 18,500 mark. So that is what the dream figure for this week expectation for the Nifty. So it may touch and it has to consolidate for some time, or it may go give a rally, or it gives a reversal. We don't know. Let us wait and watch what happens on the Nifty. So write your comment below whether the Nifty can achieve 18,500 for the coming week. So I would like to read that. So the next, the swing trading stock selection for the coming week is Bajaj Auto. So the next rally has to come from the auto sector. That is what I am seeing. So for this week the expectation for the auto sector is I am seeing visibility. So for the Bajaj Auto the expectation is already it is following this trend line. There is a support here. This is a support. So once again it is taking the support. So I expect to take a rally like this, at least to touch this line. So this is what the expectation, and I already taken hold the positions on Friday itself. Let us see what happens from this week on Monday. So the next stock is Pidilite Industries. So from the trend line here it has given the breakout and it has taken a consolidation for quite a long time here. Now the expectation is to give a rally like this. So that is what the expectation, and I see a minimum 1:2, a good risk to reward ratio on the Pidilite Industries. So the next stock for the swing trading is Kotak Bank. So I already recommended Kotak Bank in the November first week itself. So I took already the position in this Kotak Bank already. I hold position in this. So the expectation is to consolidate and go take a rally like this, to give a rally like this. This is what the expectation from the Kotak Bank. So the swing trading stocks for the shorting, although I am not interested to short since the Nifty and the index is in the rally towards the uptrend. So although if something happens, some corrections in the coming week, let us get prepared. So I am seeing FMCG sector is somewhat FMCG stocks are in the correction phase. So to start with, Hindustan Unilever is looking bearish. So I see there is no opportunity. There is a resistance here rejected. So there may be again, if it is going to reject and come down, so this can be the next potential entry. That is for the Hindustan Unilever. So and the next one is Tata Consumer. So again the same story, the Tata Consumer is getting rejected from this trend line, so it looks bearish. The next stock is GOER'S Consumer. So again the price is getting rejected from this trend line, so the next expectation would be the price may be getting rejected from this trend line. So this will be the good area for the entry. The Marico is in quite a long consolidation phase and it is in the sideways. So totally it is not in the good shape for doing anything. Give a like for this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting the regular updates like this. If you have any specific doubts regarding the swing trading stock selection and swing trading strategies, type your comments in the comment box. I'll be replying quickly for your questions. And also I have given my WhatsApp number. You can contact me in my WhatsApp number for your doubts regarding the swing trading strategies and swing trading stock selections.